Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Black Ash 007. Here we are with the deluxe edition Corvette. This Corvette is actually very fast because the level of it is 355. And I've added the best crankshaft, ECU, cooling system, then the best nitrous. The tank is 9 pounds, I guess, 9 lb, that's what you call it. So let us exit the garage and we'll exit via map. We'll go to the decks. The decks is a mission. I don't know the name exactly, but we're not going to do the normal races like this. I don't know why it's showing it's locked, but I know that when we reach there we can surely participate in the event. So let me just set a waypoint and fast travel over here. Here we are. Let's go to the event. And keep in mind, guys, I am doing the voiceover later on. The clip is playing on my computer and I'm talking, so there might be a few mistakes. So let us start this mission, a journey ahead, and let it come. Okay, here comes Dex, and let's follow him. I think he'll lead us to the event. Okay, Dex, can you lead us? Okay, he's leading us right now. He's the in-game friend of this player. This player means this driver who's driving my car right now. And Lucas is the in-game friend, the AI friend of the player. So these guys have some old relationship. I don't know what exactly. There was a huge backstory and then I by mistake skipped it all. Yep, I skipped it all. Okay, so let's go to this event. He wants to test out this track for the Speed Hunter Showdown. That's why this guy has called me to race on the few tracks he has. He'll be gifting me a suspension kit, a Pro Track suspension kit, which I won't be using obviously, but I'll use it for my 1970 Dodge Charger. The one that was there in the Fast and Furious. I really like that one, but we're not going to discuss about that. This car is the Chevrolet Corvette, and this is the deluxe edition version of it. You can't customize it for some reason. You can't even change the license plate. It says Heat right now, but on all my other vehicles it's written Black Ash 007 or it is Jazz 009. That was my old code name, but we're not going to talk about that right now. So let's go to this place quickly. Dude, can you lead us quick? Okay, he is actually following us for some reason. So I can see him on the mini map. So if he takes a right or left turn, I'll come to know and I'll like take a U-turn and follow him. So I think this is the place. Yeah, this is the place. Even Dex is saying it. So let this come. How much time does it take to come? Okay, here we are. Here is my vehicle, and someone is shooting videos with cameras, but no one is getting burned by the exhaust. Okay, target is to finish first. And let me rev up that engine. Yes, 3, 2, 1, let's go! I have this amazing song in this game. It's called as Back It Up, Drop It. Nice. So here's Hiroshi. Hiroshi is the Corvette, I guess. Yeah, the 2008 version Corvette. And Jens is a Porsche 911. I don't know which year is it from, but it looks really fast. Okay, we gotta catch that gems. We gotta catch that Porsche. We have to finish first, guys. Remember. Okay, come on. Let's go. Move it, Corvette. Come on. Oh yeah. A slight scratch, but it's nothing to worry about. Okay, let's go. Hairpin coming on the right. Look at these lovely skids that I'm doing over here. These skids are very difficult to do because this is a track tuned car and does not have the perfect tires for this kind of on-road racing. I would have brought my Chevrolet Camaro for this on-road racing. This is specially track tuned. That's why I got the deluxe edition Corvette. I have few other cars also, but that is going to be in my standalone video. So please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you come to know when that video is uploaded. And one more thing I'm going to say, that I think that this track is only meant for on-road racing, and if you guys NFS Heat and you're playing it right now, so please don't select this car. It's very difficult to drive, and please select on-road normal tires for this kind of racing, even if you have a track tuned car. This I'm also going to show you how fast this goes, because I've seen it do over 220 miles an hour. You guys haven't, so I'm going to show you over 200 miles an hour. He's saying you better win this now. I'm going to. Let's unleash that 9-pound nitrous tank. Boom! Oh no! We are going off-road. I think we just skipped a turn. Yeah, we skipped a turn. So that was lucky enough because this car is very fast. And look at the speedometer on the bottom right hand corner. It's going almost up to 200 miles an hour. 197, 198, 200, 201. Okay, we reached 201. In the last NFS Heat episode, I was driving the Mustang GT 2015 version, and in that I could top it till 160 miles an hour, which was actually very fast. But this is even faster, and it's really difficult to control this vehicle. Okay, so now we are going to hit that 200 mile an hour barrier. Here it comes. Okay, 202, 3, 4, 205, 207, 208. 208 is the maximum. 208 is the maximum we can reach in this track. Otherwise, this will go out of control. Okay, I think I'm gonna jump cut to the best part. Actually, the last leg of the race. So you guys don't have to see this map work that I was doing earlier. Okay, I jump cut, and here we are in the last leg of the race. Okay, let's go. Come on, move it, Corvette. Okay, we are doing very well right now. Is that a ramp? Yes, that's a ramp. Woo! 500 yards remaining, and we have come first. And Jazz was at last place. Actually, it was 2 miles behind me, not at last place. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it. If you didn't, dislike and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Stay home, stay safe. Don't touch the door handles, or don't touch the lift button at least. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Peace.